Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make pumpkin spice Hocus Pocus Buns. Yeah, like that. YouTube, don't take this down. This is fake. It's fake blood. It's not real. None of this is real. So don't take this down. For this recipe, you'll need pumpkin spice marshmallows. I found them at Walmart. A can of crescent rolls that come with 8 crescent rolls. 3 tablespoons of butter. And a jack-o'-lantern pan. I got it at Walmart too. First, you roll that marshmallow around in the melted butter, and then you take that buttery marshmallow and you roll it up in the crescent roll dough, and you pinch the sides to make sure that it doesn't leak out while it's baking, because you don't want that to happen. And then you bake it for 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown, and then you're good. All right, everyone, we're back right now. Alrighty, I guess, for the taste test or something. I'll show you what it looks like, even though you can see it in the thumbnail. I was going to put some more pumpkin spice and butter on top, but to cover up the faces. Good. They're not brains, but I guess they'll suffice. Let's take a look at the inside. There's no brains in there. None. They got faces but no brains. Marshmallow disappeared, but the stuff on the outside of the marshmallow, they're still there. Yum. These are good. I can't hardly taste the pumpkin spice, but I kind of can. So if you want more, just add more. So just take 3 teaspoons of pumpkin spice and 3 tablespoons of white sugar. And that's all you'll need. With another one. That's food. This was an experiment. I've never done this before, so we're gonna get on me about not being able to taste very much. You know what? These will be good. I can't taste it. Definitely not bad at all. So, go ahead and make these. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say and just have fun with it. And we're going to make more Halloween episodes at nighttime. Just have fun with it. If you're going to be a grave digger, just have fun with it. Also, guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and then hitting the bell for notifications. That way, whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth is posting a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a share and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.